Good morning, Joanna. So today we will be working on your goals, your IEP goals 1 and 2. So let's get started. Goal number 1 is language arts and reading. So we're doing almost the same thing we did last week because we're in objective 1 still. So let's look for this page on your packet. The example is she daily walked to the store, and you're going to rewrite it as she walked to the store daily. So it says use the following adverbs: away, up, sometimes, late, never, always, early, quietly, yesterday, daily, swiftly, very, inside, and outside to appropriately complete a sentence. Rewrite the sentence using the appropriate adverb. So that's what we're going to do. You did this all last week and you did such a good job. So like I said, this is the example number 1. She daily walked to the store. So you're going to rewrite it as she walked to the store daily. Okay, I can read them to you. Number 1, the girl fell at the park yesterday. Number 2, sometimes the food is extremely hot. Number 3, Todd was inside during the song. Number 4, the man brings the mail late. And number 5, Mary was outside during the TV show. So go ahead and rewrite them. Once you're finished, if you can upload them to Teams the way you've been doing, and let's go to your next assignment. So goal number 2 is English language arts and reading. Again, we're still on the objective 1. So you did this last week also. Let's you're going to fill in the blank with the past tense of the verb. The boy blank their supper. The boy eats their supper, or the boy ate his supper without a complaint. Sorry. So you're gonna put the word in the past tense. So go ahead and work from 2 to 12, and once you're finished, also please submit it up to onto Teams. If you have any questions, you call me and I can help you. So let's get started.